Looking for ways to save money now? Here are 10 things you can do to start saving money today. Stop dining out. Cooking meals at home can save so much money. Make your own coffee and save $3 a day, or about $100 a month. Cut costly entertainment. Find free or low-cost activities and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Subscription services. Cancel unused subscriptions and share accounts to lower costs. Stop impulse purchases. Implement a waiting period before buying non-essential items. Reduce energy consumption. Practice energy-saving habits like turning off lights and adjusting thermostats to lower utility bills. Grocery shopping. Make a shopping list, compare prices, and buy generic brands. Think about transportation. Use public transportation, carpool, or bike instead of driving alone to reduce fuel and parking expenses. Do-it-yourself repairs. Learn basic repair skills and fix minor issues around the house instead of hiring professional. And finally, debt repayment. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts to save on interest charges